Hello handbaggers. I'm here with a update and an unboxing for some accessories that I purchased for this Versace hobo bag that I've shared on my channel previously. So I have two unboxings and I will go ahead and get started with the unboxings. So first, you will remember from the video in opening the hobo bag that I just showed that I'd indicated I was dropping hints for Mother's Day for an accessory to go with this bag. So that's what this is, and you will get to see it when I do here. So packed very nicely. We have the bubble wrap and Versace paper in the box, and then we have our Versace card, so it includes the receipt as well as the care instructions. See if there's anything special on the card at this point. Just thank you for shopping. Put that away. And here is the box. Comes in a nice black box here. I'll just move that out of the way. And also comes with, I'm assuming this is the care card. Oh, it says this product is equipped with RFID identifying tags in order to verify the authenticity and prevent counterfeiting. Oh, so that's pretty neat. I'm not going to share that too much because I'm not sure how that actually works, but very nice way to be able to validate the authenticity of a piece. So it does have the dust cover. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is the Versace Virtus Python card case. And it says it's in the color Animal Lear. Oh my goodness, look at the details and the beautiful color. This is made from, as they call it, precious python skin. Oh my gosh, look at the different colors, the blues, the pinks. You could see that it is embellished with the Barocco hardware, so it has the Versace V on front. So let me just let you take a look. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. So it is, as I said, python leather, not an embossing, but actual python leather. It has a zip top closure with and in the inside, no organization, but it has the key ring, and it is embossed with Versace. Not sure if you can see that on the ring. So very nice. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. It is 100% leather on the outside and 100% cotton lining on the inside. So just beautiful coloring, and I purchased her as an accessory to go with the bag that I just gave a brief view of. and I will also share the link to that video. So I'm looking forward to using this beautiful piece and keeping her forever. You can see on the inside it does have the Versace Made in Italy tag also. Awesome. So I did purchase her to wear with this bag. So lots of pretty colors to go with the inside details of the bag. Alright, so enough swooning over the card. Let me show you the other item that I purchased for this bag. And this may be a surprise to you as much as it is for me. But when I purchased it, my goal was to use it somewhat as a organizer for this hobo bag. Because I shared it doesn't have any organization in the inside. And I would be concerned just dropping a card case in this bag without something to slip it into, zip up or something. So I thought I'd try to find a small organizer of such. And I got this item from QVC to go into the bag. I purchased from QVC before, but... So this is the Camuto Washable Nylon Harlo pouch. And it is in the color Rustic Taupe. So I thought that would be a perfect accessory to stick in the inside of the bag to give me some organization in the bag, and that way I'm not so concerned with things falling out, if you will. It comes with the nylon bag, as you can see. It comes also with this mesh laundry bag so that you can wash it, which I thought was very nice. On the inside of this tote, or inside of this pouch, it does have an inside pocket. And it has additional card slots. So I have 1, 2, 3, actually it's 2 card slots. And it does have a zipper pocket. So if I want additional security, I have a zipper pocket here. And it is, I think they referred to this one as a cell phone pocket. I'm not sure if a cell phone will fit in there, but we'll see. So the body on this, as well as the lining, is 100% nylon. You can see it's very soft, very cute. It has Camuto on the front there. You can see it. Has a zip closure. It has the silver hardware. So let's see if this will fit inside the bag. So this is the moment of truth. If this video makes it to daylight, that means it worked. If it does not, that means it didn't work. So just again, there is no organization inside this bag. So I wouldn't want to just throw my card case or other items just in this bag. So I was looking for something, and this came up, and I thought it was absolutely perfect. And it does fit perfectly in here. So now, if I have this on the inside, I have that organization I need for this bag. So now I am very happy. I cannot wait to wear it. I am looking forward to using my beautiful new Mother's Day card case. Oh, I am going to be so cute. So that fits right in there. And I can zip her up. And then I can also zip up my bag. And I told you I was very impressed with the way you can carry this hobo bag this way on your arm. And that's why I also wanted to make sure that I got something to go inside that was flexible. because otherwise it would be difficult to get this button to stay. So check her out. Vince Camuto came through with the pouch, which is just perfect in every way for this bag. And I'm loving the card case. And I am ready to go. This bag, I can see myself, or if I envision where I'm going to carry this bag, this is a trip to Vegas, my husband and I, with a cute little black dress, dinner reservations at a nice restaurant, and just styling for the evening. So I'm really looking forward to wearing her. I love this bag. I love the matching accessory, well, not matching accessory, the accessory that I purchased to go with her, as well as the card case. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of my subscribers. I hope you enjoy the videos as much as I enjoy making them. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a great evening.